Fortnite is a popular online multiplayer third-person shooter game developed by Epic Games. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to play Fortnite. Download and install the game. To start playing Fortnite, you need to download and install the game client from the official website or from your preferred platform's store, e.g., Steam, PlayStation Store, App Store, Google Play. Create an account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Sign Up on the login screen. You can use your email address, Facebook, Google, or other platforms to sign up. Choose your game mode. Fortnite has several game modes, including Battle Royale, Creative, and Save the World. Select the mode that suits your preference. For this guide, we'll focus on Battle Royale. Customize your character. Before jumping into the game, you can customize your character's appearance, outfit, and weapons. You can choose from various pre-made characters or create your own using the in-game editor. Join a match. Once you've customized your character, select Play to join a match. You'll be matched with up to 99 other players, depending on your region and selected game mode. Drop onto the map. After a brief loading screen, you'll find yourself on a flying bus called the Battle Bus. The bus will fly over the map, and you'll need to decide when to drop down to the island below. Look for a good spot to land, avoiding areas with high traffic or potential danger. Gather resources. Once you land, your primary objective is to scavenge for resources such as wood, stone, metal, and ammo. You can break apart objects like trees, rocks, and buildings to gather materials. Build structures. With gathered resources, you can build structures like walls, floors, ramps, and roofs. Building is essential for protecting yourself, gaining a strategic advantage, and getting closer to victory. Find weapons. Search for weapons scattered across the map, which include assault rifles, shotguns, pistols, and more. Make sure to pick up ammunition for your chosen weapon. Engage in combat. As you explore the map and encounter other players, be prepared to engage in combat. Use cover, aim accurately, and employ tactics to take down opponents. Stay aware of your surroundings and keep moving to avoid becoming an easy target. Heal and shield yourself. When injured, consume health items like bandages, medkits, or chug jugs to heal. You can also use shield potions to replenish your shield. Keep an eye on your health and shield levels throughout the game. Follow the storm. The storm is a force field that shrinks the playable area every few minutes. Stay inside the safe zone to avoid taking damage. Pay attention to the mini-map to ensure you're not caught outside the storm's protection. Eliminate opponents. Continue building, moving, and fighting until you're among the last players standing. Be cautious, as the number of players decreases, and opponents become more skilled and dangerous. Win the match. If you're the last player or part of the last team remaining, congratulations, you win. You'll receive rewards, experience points, and bragging rights. Improve and replay. Analyze your performance, learn from mistakes, and improve your skills for future matches. Don't forget to claim your daily rewards and complete challenges to unlock new cosmetic items, weapons, and other perks. That's it. Now you know the basics of playing Fortnite. Good luck, and have fun battling it out in the arena.